Please subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so that whenever we release a video at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, you'll be the first to receive the same. Remember to share the video with your friend, your mama, papa, girlfriend, boyfriend, and your side chick and side man. Yes, and post a comment below, even just to post and say, I am here to show your appreciation of the work that we are doing here at the Jamaica Young Police Channel. And thanks for being a part of the movement. So, moving on. We at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we hate criminals with a passion. So here's one of them. This guy name is Javon Pinnock. Yeah, aka Froggy. Have a distinct scar on the left side of his face, and him eye go all the way down to him cheekbone. And you know, more or less is a Jamaican do that, you know, telephone cut. I don't know how them come by that thing for, you know, to scar people face like that, and that it's just awful, but terrible people. So this man that you're looking at, his name is Javon Pinnock, aka Froggy. Yeah, Froggy them call him on the street, and he's wanted in New York, in Queens, New York, for the murder of Javon Jamison, a Jamaican youth them called Blingers. Yes, and Blingers was killed almost 2 years ago by this man and another man named Christopher King. Christopher King is in custody in New York, awaiting trial for the murder of Jamison. So we are appealing, we are begging, beseeching you Jamaican people in Jamaica and the diaspora, wherever you see this man, to inform the police, whether it's 119 or 911, and let them know that this man is wanted in New York for the murder of Javon Jamison, so that this man can be placed in custody or go straight to the departure home where he belongs. And that's justice. And we say that because we hate criminals with a passion, because there was no reason for this man to kill Blingers, because Blingers was not a threat to him at the time. It was murder, clear murder. Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yeah, so we'll continue the journey. This is part 10 of the 10-part series, you know, with this drug dealer, Tiliba. Yeah, Kevin Tiliba Roberts, the man and the man in the red shirt, who's, you know, below him, that is his boss, Peter Bunting, or should I say vice versa. He's Peter Bunting boss because he's a drug dealer, and drug dealer have money. But Pete, you understand, and Peter Bunting is a billionaire robbing the people, them, you know, from FinSac. So you're going to hear, we continue the conversation with this policeman, well knowledgeable, and we can tell you that I'm very, you know, candid in this in the conversation. So you watch, you listen, and you decide, and just let us know, you know, what you have learned from the series. So moving on. Hey, look here, when me a constable, you know, them did one, may I tell you, one assistant super did name. Boy, me just bald brother, you know, one grey head brother. The man was labor right, you know.
Police.
Yeah, man. Them what him name Daz? Daz him name. I think say name Owen Daz or something. He used to live out at him. Yeah, the man him kind of have bow leg. The man they never like me, you know. And one time I lock up two women, you know, from racetrack. I'm yaping.
Maybe.
Them spitting on one policeman face. The man neighbor and cut him in him face with a home sweet home. Yeah, man. And me and Nelson go lock up people, and I have to wipe up some lick pan them in there with a bat name.
What the police name? Want to talk police?
No, man, him dead, man. Him name Lance Anderson.
Okay.
Him did that central. I mean, yeah, man, I tell you, say, police, you know, say, I have to go out and defend it by myself, you know, man.
And Nelson not get involved.
No, sir, Nelson not come to court. But guess what? You see that happened Sunday, you know, and you know, say, I agree with them, and the man, I never go on suspension, man, interdiction card. Yeah, man, called Daz, the girl mother did there with Daz. So he have to suspend me, and grave them say, and them thing there, and my man and Winchester Brown. You understand? Them say, if them are interdict me, them have to go interdict Nelson because Nelson beat the woman too.
Oh, okay.
So I just basket then want to hear now. Hear why the man eat me, because the man say me a peep, say me a jungle. So that the man say, you know.
That's how something.
One brother named Daz, man, Owen Daz. So a long time politics always, you know.
Not police force.
You understand what I'm saying? And me as young police, and I police, you don't know, expert the code them time, something I'm to a police, you know, you understand?
Take off fame.
Yeah, man, I have to defend it, man, and I have to go a court and them thing there and defend it. The police not come a court for the unlawful wounding. You understand?
The police not come?
No, come on. Him not come. The police or a girl and spit in him face right in front of me and cut him in him face with a glass bottle.
Oh, no. And him not turn up a court neither.
You know, hear me say, man? Man left me out there for, left me out there. I mean, I have to defend it.
So not to sit there, not to the ex-assistant commissioner come.
No, sir, Nelson nothing come a court. Him not even write a statement. And him beat the woman them to it. Him beat the woman them to it. And yes, big thanks to everyone who reach out via the channel's telephone number to show interest in subscribing to our new platform. One that builds to speak truth to power and impact every single person living in America and around the world. It doesn't matter if you are black, white, yellow, green, blue or red. This message is for all people who believe in freedom, truth and justice. Yes. As we have said before, the name of the new channel speaks for itself. United we win, divided we lose. And you're looking at, most people say that they cannot find it and all kind of things. So now, getting the feedback from, from most of you people, in which, well, we can't even count the amount of people that reach out to us and leave message. We cannot find it. You have to understand that my voice, this voice is not a voice that has been loved by the powers that be. Because when you speak truth, they try to censor in every way. But guess what? We're not going to stop, So, united we win, divided we lose. That's not just a slogan. It's a fact. It's a call to rise above fear and stop playing it safe, while the system quietly chews up and spit us out. Even you. Cowards might think they are staying out of trouble by staying silent, but in the end, they will get fucked. We just say it runs there spiritually, mentally, financially, and politically. So here's the truth. It is better to live a life and die as a free, honest, decent, honorable, and truthful human being than to exist as an obedient, broken slave, begging for crumbs from a table that was never built for you. For over 400 years, our ancestors, we are taught black people, cried out to a God. They were taught to fear, kneeling and praying to a man in the sky, while their bodies were chained and their minds conditioned. That didn't free them. What did? Knowledge, courage, unity. Men like Taki, who the same maroons in Jamaica kill, chop off his head and put on a pike. Taki is the one why the United States of America exists today as a republic, but they won't teach the white people in America. A black man who took on the British Empire and won. And it's time we walk that same path. Any bolder? This new channel is not for the weak-hearted, the lukewarm, or for the comfortably numbed. It's for those who know who they are, God's children, defined by nature, fearless by choice. If that's you, welcome on. To the rest, stay away. We don't need friends who are secretly enemies. We don't need deadweight, doubters or deceivers. When we say enemies, we're talking about everything that stands against the truth. Lies, manipulation, division, cowardice, and blind obedience. No more lies, no more games, no more silence. This channel is the battleground for truth, and we are not backing down. How many times can they kill us? Once, Millions of our ancestors has died for this, for the little freedom that we're enjoying. God created every man equal, but some think that they're superior. And those who think that they're superior, just look, not one of them have ever been the fastest one in the world. Their genes are recessive. Our genes are dominant. So please, subscribe to the channel. We know that we are being sabotaged and tampered by the powers that be. But as time goes by, the truth will reveal. I second youngest police and them thing, because the other police in the young army, because he was special at the time. And then no man, the police was Anderson, Lance Anderson.
Okay.
So I just saw them thing there.
Before you hang up more ask one question. One police used to do up a vineyard town, one tall black guy. But did that day me seem like him as deputy commissioner of police. You got me surname. Here calling him Mac.
A tall black brother.
Yeah man, in 90s used to do there was a detective up a vineyard town there. I see him there.
Oh, MacArthur Sutherland.
I see one?
Yeah man, I'm an assistant commissioner. You know, say best and the most honest police we have in our police force now.
Yeah, me used to watch him in demeanor from him back then. It was a different police.
Yeah man, but you know, the police, you know, say, I do a video last week I put up with Owen Ellington and them thing there. You know, say enough police don't like him though.
Why?
Because through my honest police. You don't know, so for your thief police don't like it. You don't know that. Cause you understand? A good police. MacArthur Sutherland, yeah man.
Sutherland.
Him should have get commissioner of police, you know.
Yeah man.
But you don't know, you don't know, so nepotism around them. Them say I chew him a PMP, that's why they don't give him. Because if them give him, if them give him, them say I lock up Patrick Bailey, which is Prime Minister lawyer, so them have to protect him, you know.
So then why they got like Patrick Bailey now?
So why? You say nobody lock him up? From when that.
Oh, for the man that did in the house that killing.
Easiest murder for charge anybody for. We're not busy about politics. Justice will deal with.
Then politics can't stop that for him not get arrested, no?
Oh, then the police. Remember say the initial at the time. Remember who was commissioner of police? Owen Ellington. You understand? And Andrew Holness was the prime minister, and then the government changed and them not do nothing about it. Cause remember say him connected. Remember say you have to understand, you know.
So he is still an attorney?
No, him get them ban him. Them disbar him. I mean, the man supposed to lie. Them a Jamaica thief, man. Them a thief people money.
Oh, with money problem.
Yeah, always. You understand? Them finger fearing, finger smith them. You understand?
You want to say so much lie, I can get this bar in Jamaica. So just think about it, the lie.
Jamaica criminal paradise.
Paradise with you.
Yeah, man. Me can't stop say that. And well, still, you know, we kind of whether or not you like Andrew Holness or not, you know, say I want the best government in terms of when it come on to the least corrupt government since 1989, though. You know, though.
Sure, though.
Yeah, man. So anybody that talk about corruption,
have to take them. Yeah, my body have to take them. Yeah, and go on with them. I like that.
Whether you like him or not, you have to give him that credit on him. But PMP now do that.
You know, and he had a power. The PMP, then we have the people in my linger, not care about it.
No, man, the PMP is a criminal organization.
Yeah, man, when Andrew come, just like, this man from Pola over there, the MP there, face the man there.
Oh,
Warmington make his speech and he said, come on, and take with the position from him. So
yeah, man, but look here, I'm between me and you still do, you know. Whether or not you want to believe it, you know. You say, if Warmington I best attack dog him, them have in a Labour Party, you know.
Yes, man. Yes.
No, all we are going, you know, all our politicians, you know, him will PMP them, because guess what now?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, all we are going on them thing, man. Warmington I only politician will PMP them for that, because him, female no lazy, you know, man.
Yeah, true, man.
And when him talk truth, you know.
Yes, man.
Hey, look here. Hey, you see a brother named Julian Robinson. Hey, if him ever get up on Warmington skin and I met Warmington talking in Parliament and say, oh, me never met them kill no police me, you know.
What is it?
No, me say if all Warmington if all go out say that one day, cause anything we say in a Parliament them can't sue you, you know. Say, oh, you can't chat to me, you know, cause me never met them kill none of my police them yet. Cause you know, so one police named Courtney Simpson, where he's a bodyguard him, they make Julian Robinson make them kill him. One detective sergeant. They don't know so far you got protective you don't know so PMP is a criminal organization. I want police near Rocky Simpson, one old brigadista. Because them issue gun and them thing and him go back now and go tell Rocky Simpson about protective service and them say boy the police are dangerous, you know. Yeah, I forget read them, man. I saw them kill him. I see him police kill him. I see him police say him and them work. Them drop him off and by him turn him back, them shut him up. And then them yeah man, I've seen police kill him. And them claim say them the police ever drop him off, you know, them not hear the shot, you know. And then them kill him. You understand? Yeah man. I saw it go on them think. You don't know, hey, me don't know how a man become criminal and me don't know how a man, you understand? The PMP them dangerous man. Remember say a PMP kill Ryan again, you know.
Yeah.
Ryan again bodyguard kill him, you know, Corporal White, you know, you didn't know that?
Yeah,
man, a White kill him man. But
that's a Bingy White?
No, no Bingy White man. Him did dead to man. White did dead to, but him shot Ryan again in him back I made him bodyguard.
Bodyguard?
Yeah man. So we don't know if it was deliberate or intentional or accident. You understand? But I'm bodyguard kill him man. Man, I labor right, you know. And you know, so a brother in MIU did contact me and say, you know, I'm calling him, but him did there at the time, you know. Him still in America and them thing, you know, because him was there. So him now tell me the full story and them thing, you know. Or them
what am I virgin from? Where I'm coming from? I talk where so am I virgin? And so that's over school from home. No, stop where
you want to start about me?
Yeah, I will discuss topics. I didn't go.
Alright, my brother, let's go and take care of yourself.
Alright, yeah, my respect.
Yeah, man, alright, cool, yeah, alright. At least you defend that. When name Tilly Bar, you say you don't know him as them kind of man there. So.
No flaw, man. Anything else, me don't know about that.
Oh, yeah. Young, so when you say him, so him the hustle pan that and them thing there.
Power.
You know, when you say, but them not say, but a year now, you know, say, all the fishermen them tell me, say, if a man will file any court down there and them thing there, you have to give him.
Listen what I say to you.
A fisherman connected to Cockatoo tell me that and them thing.
Listen what I say to you. Me a fisherman. And me they go buy fine, whatever.
Yeah.
Me, I have to find somebody who me feel safe to deal with.
Yeah.
Because I can't say to anybody, not you.
True. Because they tell them police friend and for gun thief.
Because
you know, so the police are thief.
So them there's something they know. People, remember say, fear man, I must have man we find, he go tell you, say, I hear me and deal with. You can nobody now know who find it or who for. Because remember say, gunman don't get two now in a bridge. Remember say, you know, think about, you can't just walk and spread it. Let me find something. If you find something, man, right, man, here, by time that we get sell, man, kill and take it. So I let the conversation there. A ticklish conversation.
Yeah.
You understand what I said to you? I don't say no go so you know. But you cannot talk in conversation there. Can maybe only see a man where you sell. In powerful like that. When make a man move, you can't call in him.
True.
You understand what I said? So they something they sell all about. You hear man say, I'm ready from town, I'm ready from mobile, I'm ready from Mandem. You understand what I said to you? No one man can't get it. Other man down there. We deal with him or something.
Yeah.
Come on, Rocky man alone can't deal with him. Think about what I said to you.
Yeah.
So you have to be careful. You have to see what the argument when they tell you about people.
Yeah.
You understand? So, why your channel be a true channel, you know?
No,
so
we're not. No, we're not. It's no benefit for tell lie. That's how we speak the truth over here and them thing. The only thing them can't say we are labor. Them can't say we are lie. So because we are talk the truth, we are talk what we see, you know. We not go with hearsay. We are talk what we see, heard, and experience growing up in Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
All right, my brother. Blessed love here.
All right, same to you, brother.
Yeah, cool. Yes. Yeah. So we have come to the end of this conversation. You know, having a discussion with this former policeman who is defending this drug dealer and a violence producer. Yes, this man is labeled in Jamaica as a drug dealer and a violence producer, in which this man had contributed to the crime rate in Clarendon. At one point in time, you know, the police there identify him as a person who's contributing to the murders in Clarendon. because he's politically connected, eventually he was taken off the list, but he is known to the police in Clarendon. His name is Kevin Tilibar Roberts. He has many criminal police officers as his friends. Yes, man. I can't tell you. And he's always at a certain gas station in Maypen playing domino, maybe even right now, with some of his criminal police officers. And right now he has 4 men with illegal gun bodyguarding him. So that's how it is in Jamaica. Jamaica is a criminal's paradise. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. Hope you enjoying the series. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out. And those of you at Patreon who have been sticking by us, thanks. But I can tell you, in the long run, you will be all rewarded. Yes, rewarded in such a way that I can't do Donald Trump. I'm not like a Donald Trump. That it's unbelievably, and you're gonna reward it bigly. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.